Professor Law, VM Salgaonkar College, Dr. Om Prakash Kutarkar sir, former Superintendent of Police, Vinayak Naik, former Joint Director of Accounts, and Public Prosecutor Mrs. Poonam Bharne, who were the part of our long training program session. I welcome to the staff of GPART and Police Department. Whatever happens in this today's world is known to us and public through print and electronic media. We welcome your presence for this function. Once again, a warm welcome to the chief guests and dignitaries on and off the days. Thank you.
देव बरे करू मॅडम. उतरांच्या युवकाराक फुलांची जोड देऊया. पहिली मुखेल सोयरे भुवनेश मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांकां येवकार. सम्माननीय अतिथि मुख्य सचिव आदरणीय परिमल राय जी, आपका भी स्वागत. आज के विशेष निमंत्रित पुलिस महानिदेशक आदरणीय मुकेश कुमार मीना जी, आपका भी स्वागत सर. GPART के डायरेक्टर जनरल आदरणीय संजय गिहार जी, डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन PS साधीना, तुमकां येवकार. देव बरें करूं. GPARTच्या या प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळीची माहिती दितना या प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळीचो थोडक्यात आढावो घेवचो म्हणून विनंती करता GPARTचे संचालक IAS मायकल डिसोजा सर.
Thanks a lot, Pradeep. With the permission, sir. It all began with a call from CS in the month of February 21, when he said, "Boss, you need to conduct the training for the Deputy Superintendents of Police and prepare a short-term syllabus for them." What turned out, the product which turned out in the month of February is now getting realized on this day, the 10th of November 2021. The critical aspects which came from this particular training has been evolved through two aspects. One, to mention, Judge Pramod Kamath, Judge Desmond De Costa, and our Director of Prosecution, Madam Sardinia. These three set together. We had nearly 4 rounds of discussion, and the product which came out of the 45 days is the entire concept evolution which these three dignitaries did for GPART. We then ran this through Nasik, Tamil Nadu, and Hyderabad, these three police training academies, and they were quite odd. They said we would also participate equally with them, though they could not depute because of COVID restrictions. They could not depute their officers to be with them. What we did was a kind of a hybrid exposure. Considering that the average age of these 14 officers was 54 years, minus the youngest and the oldest, okay, the average statistic being 54 years, we evolved a program which was more experiential. The concept of experiential came through a concept of workshop, ride shop, symposia, and panel discussions. And we have with us 5 of the faculties who came, who taught with them. And I must mention, okay, Dr. Prasad, the Law College, and his entire team of professors from the Law College, who took the trainees to the constitutional law, the administrative law, the full aspect of that. I must thank Om Prakash Kutarkar, the former SP. Okay, sir, his guidance has been excellently incorporated through each and every, because it was more how to solve than how to learn. This was the concept, and he has done a wonderful job. Poonam Bharne, our public prosecutor, and with Saroj, okay, the director of prosecution, and her team of 15 public prosecutors and assistant public prosecutors who took them to the entire prosecution law. Not a stone was left unturned. The entire rigorous drill. Agarwal sir, the administrative side, the governance side, the land laws, and of course Vinayak, okay, a gem or treasure house of accounting in the state of Goa. We only had an opportunity to interact with them with one copy of the rules of business of the government of Goa, and hopefully I may have done some justice if they turn out to be. The difficulties and challenges which came to us was, as I said, the age factor, the uncertainty evolving, but we took it as a challenge. The Honorable Union Home Minister's visit, okay, was a challenge to us, okay, because we had to reschedule the programs, cancel certain events, but it came out to be a good training exercise. I apologize to the trainees because Saturdays and Sundays was a strictly no, and believe me, sir, what you all began, make it 15 days, make it 30 days, okay, let's make it 40 days, turned out to be actually 62 days with the Saturdays and Sundays, and they have gone through some sort of hell. And I'll tell you why. Just a reason. CS sir was keenly observing. We have cameras in the institute, and the control is maintained with CS. And he was keenly observing. So all the time we were on the trainees. Upar wala dekh raha hai. So that was the thing. But that apart, they performed. And yesterday, when Om Prakash Kutarkar and Mr. Rao, the Professor of Law, underwent their presentation, the third assignment which they underwent the presentation, 22 out of 25 was the average score. And that too, 54 years old, 54 years average old, and law college, as we know, Upen Joshi, our colleague, has passed out to it. How stringent they are in evaluating. If they can offer 22 marks out of 25, I think, sir, your training academy also we have reached at that. Taking this was a cue which came out, okay, why the program was successful, was a cue which came out, was that one of the ministers in the government called me up. Are tu police officer and training karta? I said, "Hoy, karta." Why are you doing that training? I said, "Sir, it's part of the culture of training." He said, "Okay, tu officer train karta, government officers train karta, te panchayat train karta, te आमचे कार्यकर्ते ते काय ना? ये फाल्या police officer आम का येऊन arrest करून हात मुरे." So we knew now that yes, okay, GPAD has hit the right folder. After the media management class which happened, sir, after the media management class which happened, we would offer the Goa Police 3 important programs. One, to be consulted with Dr. Harold Costa on cyber. And in fact, sir, okay, it was CS sir who introduced that cybercrime thing in the syllabus with a full detailed chapter on it. Unfortunately, he was a victim of the scam too. This particular thing would be with the PPs, the judiciary, and the police officers, and we are working out with the judiciary. So by this month end or the early month of December, we'll be having a program on that. With Goa Union of Journalists, we'll be having a media session. The police have a lot to complain about the media, okay, sensationalization of news. But we should also be, the goods should also be hearing, the print should also be hearing what the police have to say. So let's have an interaction on that. And third part, sir, are the PIs are here with us. Your senior, DG sir, your senior officers are here with us. Give us an opportunity to also train them. We will run, modulate, curate programs with director of prosecution, with the home department, with our administrative staff, and we will also curate certain programs where their need arises. With this, sir, thank you so very much. I thank the CM, sir, okay, for being go ahead. That was a thank you so very much.
देव बरें करूं सर. ह्या प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळीत आमी कितें मेळयलें हाचे विशीं थोडक्यांत प्रातिनिधीक स्वरुपान 2 DYSP आपली मतां उक्तायतले. तांकां विनंती आसा की वेळेचें बंधन पाळचें. पयली DYSP सुचेता देसाय.
Honorable CM sir, CS sir, DG sir, DG GPAD, DOP ma'am, the dignitaries and all the resource persons and my dear colleagues. In fact, when the training was initially told to be of 30 days. And when they extended and they told it's going to be 45 days, we were a little worried how it's going to be. But when the entire process started, we actually found that besides the police training, there were a lot of other topics that were included, which we were supposed to be having knowledge of. And probably GPAD has done a wonderful job by including all those topics, which normally as a police officer, we have just been sidelining. In fact, I would like to thank all the resource persons, Dr. Prasad, Mr. Vinayak, RX SP Khuttarkar sir, Poonam ma'am, ND Agarwal sir. We have had extensive interaction, and of course whatever doubts we had, also we have had interaction in respect of what do we lack in. We have had that kind of an interaction, so probably we are going back with immense knowledge, and we will see better improvement. I would like to thank Michael sir, who has taken special efforts of calling Dr. Harold DeCosta for cyber training. Initially we did have an online course. Subsequently, we have had him, with a special request, we have had Michael sir call Dr. Harold for a one-on-one interaction with him. Thank you, Mr. Michael. And last but not the least, I would say it was an extensive training. And of course, today we do feel that we are going back with a lot of knowledge. Thank you so much.
DYSP Kiran Pudwar.
Honorable CM sir, Honorable CS sir, Honorable DGP sir, Honorable DG Jipa, Honorable DOP ma'am. I'm honored to share my experience regarding the departmental training program, which we are held from 20th September to 10th November. The duration of training, that is 45 days, was split into two parts. That is the indoor classroom activity and the outside field activity, presentation, assignments, reports, writing, and attending courses. The training program was conducted through lectures by eminent resource persons from various reputed training organizations, NGOs, state, central governments, department jurists, retired police personnel, government officials, leading advocates, and public prosecutors. We also had various exercises, assignments, exposure to functioning of various departments, interactive sessions with media, heritage visits, and also a course on stress management and healthy living. It was an excellent training course, and we had a great learning experience and gained vast knowledge during the training program on the various subjects, which included the Goan ethos, the legal structures of police administration, including the Constitution, Indian law, acts related to police functioning, police service matters, conduct rules, cyber crimes, special legislations, local self-government, local body laws, administrative and financial skills in governments, which was very informative and will be helpful for our future service. We were a group of 14 DYSP students in the age group of 45 to 59 years with many years of service experience, and this training program brought us together under one roof, getting to know each other better. The classroom sessions and talks were very productive and interactive, making it very enjoyable, thus creating a lively atmosphere in the institute. The GPAD is the state's apex training institute with a wonderful course team, headed by a very efficient director and an assistant director, and we are very thankful and grateful to the entire team for organizing this wonderful training program and for their excellent hospitality. We are also thankful to the eminent resource persons from various fields for giving their valuable time for this training and sharing their knowledge on the various subjects. Last but not the least, we are sincerely thankful to the Government of Goa and all the officials for deputing us for this training, through which we have gained invaluable knowledge, information on various subjects, and confidence which will help us in the rendering better service to the society in future. Thank you,
sir. As a service provider and guide, आम्ही या DYSP किती दिले हाचे विषयी प्रातिनिधिक स्वरूपान डॉक्टर MRK प्रसाद, प्रोफेसर ऑफ लॉ, VM Salgaonkar कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ, आपले विचार व्यक्त करतात.
Good afternoon to one and all. Today's chief guest, our beloved Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Pramod Sawant sir, and the other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. First, let me congratulate GPART for successfully completing this training program, and also to all the DYSPs who completed successfully this training program. So like democracy, the rule of law is a political commitment by the state to its citizens. So it is important that the law enforcement machineries like DYSPs, they learn about the rule of law and how do they implement that rule of law while they are functioning in their respective duties. So the whole training is about that. And I really appreciate the efforts made by the state of Goa in training DYSPs in such a fashion. I don't think 45 days is not a joke to have such a training program. And you all understand that any training program is aimed at improving the skills and the obligations of the public officers. I had an experience of teaching constitutional law more than 20 years, and I firmly believe that one good public officer is worth 10 courts. In a sense, if the public officer is within the realm of rule of law, to that extent, he would reduce the litigation in the courts. So that's apart. I firmly believe that the participants have shown so much zeal in understanding and learning the law. And to confess, I don't see that much seriousness in the law students in my law college. The amount of dedication shown by these DYSPs in the training program, I just interacted with few of our other resource persons. We are all under the same impression that you really interacted with all the sessions and you are taking back whatever the wisdom that we could give. And I also see the whole training program. It is not just we are teaching them and how to do law and order, etc. But also the financial aspects, because as a DYSP, you are not only looking at the law and order problem, but you are also an administrator, you are also looking at the financial matters. So it's very nice to see that there are different types of topics were covered in the whole 45 days. So I commend the efforts of the state of Goa under the able guidance of our Chief Minister sir. And I also congratulate the GPART, particularly Seema, who put a lot of effort in conducting these programs. I know that there is a lot of administrative requirements. So I hope and I also urge that this kind of training program should continue in future for others, because I involved with several other training programs, particularly one of the program I was asked to sensitize the government officers about the rights of the minorities. I don't see that kind of training programs in other states. I think Goa is unique. It is, I would say that this is one of the best effort that the state government has put. Thank you very much.
थँक्यू सर. रवींद्रनाथ टागोर म्हणतात, आमचे जीवन त्या परमेश्वरान दिल्ले आमकां एक दान आसा आणि ह्या जीवनान आमी जितले दान करतात तितली ताची आमच्या जीवनाची किंमत वाडत वता. ह्याच विचारान वागत आपले जीवन हे समाजा खातीर आसा, म्हजें जीवन हे गोंयकारा खातीर आसा, ह्या विचारान तळमळीन आनी आपलेपणान नेटान पावलां मारपी आयचे मुखेल सोयरे हो मनीस डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत. सर, तुमच्या मार्गदर्शनाची आमकांय गरज आसा.
गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ पब्लीक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड रूरल डेव्हलपमेंट हांच्यानी आयोजीत केल्ल्या ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम DYSP टू SP वेलेंटरी सेशनाक म्हजे बरोबर आसात राज्याचे CS परिमल राय, DGP मुकेश कुमार मीना, ताजे उपरांत मिस्टर संजय कुमार, सेक्रेटरी फॉर द GPART आणि मॅडम सरोजिनी सार्दिना ही आसात. म्हज्या समोर आशिल्ले खास करून मायकल, अंकिता आनंद आणि बाकी सगळे. सगळ्यात पयली हांव GPART ह्या संस्थेत फॉर गेली 45 डेज फ्रॉम द DYSP टू SP आमकां ट्रेनिंग दिली आणि तातूंतल्यान आमचे दोन DYSPनी आपलो एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर केलो आणि खास करून द प्रोफेसर फॉर द लॉ BM सालगांवकर, MRK प्रसाद आणि तुमकां रिमार्क दिलो. that remark is very much important. किती रिमार्क दिलो त्याने? किती रिमार्क दिलो? कोणी एकट्यान म्हाका सांगतो मातसो.
Law student cannot. Police concentrate more than law student.
एक्झॅक्टली. दळवी आमचो खूप हुशार. तुम्ही सगळेजण इतके अटेंटिव्ह आणि सिन्सियर आसात, म्हणजे लॉ स्टुडंट्साच्या पेक्षा सुद्धा तुम्ही चड अटेंटिव्ह आणि चड सिन्सियर आसा, विच इज अ प्राऊड फिलिंग फॉर मी एज अ CM अँड एज अ होम मिनिस्टर. म्हणजेच स्टेटीतली लॉ अँड ऑर्डर आता आसाय ताज्याय पेक्षा आनी आम्ही लॉ अँड ऑर्डर ही मेंटेन करपाक शकतले बऱ्या पद्दतीन. त्या खातीर सगळ्यात पयली आय एम कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग फॉर मायकल एंड हीज एंटायर टीम, जे कंटिन्युअसली तुम्ही जर पळयशात जे ट्रेनिंग, वेगवेगळ्यो ट्रेनिंग आनी वेगवेगळ्या सेक्टरांतल्यो ट्रेनिंग आमकां खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन. एक गजाल आसता, ट्रेनिंग घेवपी बरें जाय, ट्रेनिंग दिवपी बरें जाय आनी सोर्स करून थंय मनीस हाडपी बी बरें जाय. त्या खातीर व्यवस्थित रित्या ती डिझाईन करप, म्हणजे सगळ्यांक डिझाईन करतप, म्हणजे सिलेबस डिझाईन करच्या पासून सुरवात, ते काम मायकल आणि त्याच्या पुराय टिमीन खूप बऱ्या पद्दतीन केलां. ते 45 days जे लेक्चर डेलिव्हर दिवपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीचे रिसोर्स पर्सन जाय पडटा. ते तितकेच म्हणजे इंटरॅक्टिव्ह आनी अट्रॅक्टिव्ह हाडचे पडटा, ते तांच्यांनी हाडल्या. आनी ट्रेनिंग घेवपी बी तितकेच सिन्सियर आनी अटेंटिव्ह जाय पडटा. इन्स्टेड म्हणजे एट द एज ऑफ 54 या एजीचेर, म्हणजे ही कंपेर फॉर तुमकां आनी ताणें एट द एज ऑफ 23-24 ह्या एजीचेर तुमकां कंपेर केलें आनी तेज्या कंपेरिजनान तुमी तितके अटेंटिव्ह आनी सिन्सियर ह्या बाबतींत आसा. तुगेले 45 दिसाची ट्रेनिंग 60 दिसांनी तुमी पुराय कंप्लीट केली. तुमचे सगळ्यांचे हांव खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता. आनी हांव चड उलोवचो ना, फक्त हांव इतकेंच सांगतलो, स्टेटींतलो लॉ अँड ऑर्डर मेंटेन करपा खातीर सातत्यान तुमी सगळे जाण काम करताच. आमच्या स्टेटींतलो हायेस्ट क्रायम डिटेक्शन रेट इन अ कंट्री आसा. बट म्हाका म्हाजें म्हणणें इतकेंच आसा, द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ द क्रायम हाजी आमकां गरज आसा. प्रिवेंशन कशें जातलें ताजेर आमकां वर्कींग करपाची गरज आसा. नो डावट तुमी डिटेक्शन करताच. तुमी म्हणटले प्रिवेंशन आमी कशें करूं काय म्हणून. इट इज पॉसिबल. म्हाका दिसता ताज्याय खातीर काल हांव DGP कडेन आनी SP नॉर्थ, SP क्रायम शोभीत सक्सेना हांच्या कडेन उलयतालो. हांच्या कडेन कालच मिटींग जाली. आनी प्रिवेंशन करपा खातीर आमी कितें कितें प्रिकॉशन्स घेवची पडटली, आजून कितें कितें न्यू इनिशिएटिव्स घेवच्यो पडटल्यो आमच्या पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटान, स्पेशली फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ वुमन. ताजी गरज आसा. आनी तें करपा खातीर डेफिनेटली होम डिपार्टमेंट वील एक्ट ऑन इट. Whatever the support you required for that purpose, for the awareness purpose, for the vehicle purpose, for the training purpose, even though for the special अजूनही जी कितें गरज आसा आमी विचार करता, there should be the pink force, pink female force, especially for the woman safety. हाजे इंट्रोडक्शन कशा पद्दतीन करप हाजो एक विचार चालू आसा. आमी वुमन सेफ्टी खातीर जायत्यो गजाली ह्या होम डिपार्टमेंटान बेगिनात बेगीन करतले आनी तुमचो सगळ्यांचो म्हणजे सहकार्य हाज्या बाबतींत लागतलें. आनी हें सगळें करता आसतना हांवें त्या खातीर म्हटलां प्रिवेंशन ऑफ द क्रायम हें करपा खातीर रिसर्च करपाचें कामूय तुमीच करपाचें. द जिपार्ट वील हेल्प डेफिनेटली. आमच्यो सजेशन्स ही सगळ्यात तुमच्या कडल्यान येवपाक जाय. वन वर वर्किंग ऑन द फील्ड, ते तुमी पळयता, डे टू डे केस हँडल करता, हें तुमकां चड खबर आसा. त्या खातीर तुमच्या कडल्यान ताची सजेशन्स येवची आनी ते मागीर आमच्या कडल्यान इम्प्लिमेंटेशन्स खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन जातलें. तुमी घेतलेली ट्रेनिंग ही म्हाका खबर आसा की तुमच्या उरलेल्या सर्विसेक तुमी यूज करतलेच, बट त्याच बरोबर तुमचे ज्युनियर्स जे आसा हांच्याय कडेन तुमी पास ऑन करची. म्हणजे त्या ट्रेनिंगेचो फायदो हो चडांत चड आमच्या पुलीस ऑफिसर्सांक जातलो, सगळे पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल लेवल सगळ्या पर्यंत जातलो. म्हणजे निश्चितच हांव खात्री बाळगिता आनी येता त्या दिसांनी तुमचे सगळ्यांचे मोलाचें सहकार्य आमी 60व्या मुक्तीच्या वर्सात आसा आनी निश्चितच रित्या आझादी का अमृत महोत्सव मनयता. गोंयचे 60वें मुक्तीचें वर्स मनयता आसतना डे बाय डे गोवा स्टेटीन फ्रॉम द डे 1 पासून गेली 60 वर्सां इन द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट आनी ह्युमन डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्रेस करीत आसा. पण तुमच्या सारकेली ह्युमन रिसोर्स तयार करता आसतना आमच्या जिपाडाक प्राऊड फील जाता. अशाच पद्दतीचे ह्युमन रिसोर्स ताका आनिकूय बी ट्रेन करप आनी वेल इक्विप्ड करप हाज्या खातीर गोंय सरकार हे सातत्यात कार्यरत आसतलें. हांव परत एकदां म्हणजे तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक आयच्या ट्रेनिंगाच्यो खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आणि येता त्या काळात सरकाराक तुमचे खूप बरेच सहकार्य असतले हाजी अपेक्षा करता. माय बेस्ट विशीज फॉर ऑल द ट्रेनर्स ऑल्सो हॅव पार्टिसिपेटेड अँड दे हॅव ट्रेन्ड यू पीपल. तांच्यांनी आपलो मोलाचो वेळ ह्या तुमच्या ट्रेनचे 45 दिसाच्या ट्रेनिंगात दिलो. बरोबरूच तांच्यांनी बी जे तुमच्या बद्दल सगळे व्यवस्थितरित्या जो ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल्स असतो तो डिसाईड केला, तुमकां ट्रेन केले त्याबद्दल तांकांय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट म्हणटा. वन्स अगेन आय एम कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग फॉर द जिपाट अँड एंटायर टीम. थँक यू वन एंड ऑल.
देवबने सर. धूप छाव सब सह जाते, जीवन पथ पर दुर्गम गह जाते, अरमान न बाकी रह जाते जब सस्ती है तन पर खाकी. पुलिस वालों के भी अलग फसाने हैं, यहाँ तीर भी चलाने हैं और परिंदे भी बचाने हैं, क्योंकि वे केवल पुलिस नहीं है, वे तो अभिमान हमारा है. वो मनीस मुख्यमंत्र्यांक विनंती करता की जे डीवायएसपी ट्रेनिंग कार्यशाळेत सहभागी झाले तांकां प्रशस्तीपत्र आणि यादस्तिकांचे वितरण तांणी करचे. श्रीमती मारिया मोन्सेरात. एंथनी मोन्सेरात. गुरुदास गावडे. एडविन कुलासो. नेल्सन अल्बगर. सुचिता बी देसाई. अजिल्दा डिसोजा. सुनीता सावंत. राजेंद्र देसाई. धर्मेश आंगले. किरण जे पटवाल. प्रबोध शिरवाईकर. हरिश्चंद्र मडकईकर. संतोष देसाई. जांचे मोलादीक मार्गदर्शन या कार्यशाळे दरम्यान मेळ्ळे तांकां यादस्तिकां भेटोवची भोवनेस मुख्यमंत्र्यांक विनंती. विनायक नायक आदले एडिशनल डायरेक्टर अकाउंट्स. ओम प्रकाश कुडतरकर आदले एसपी. Dr. M.R.K. Prasad, Professor V.M. Salgaonkar, College of Law. Srimati Poonam Bharane, Public Prosecutor. आदरणीय एन डी अग्रवाल जी, गोवा राज्य के पूर्व जिलाधिकारी। मायकल डिसोजा सरांक विनंती करता की ताणे आयचे मुखेल सोयरे आनी हेर मानेस्तांक ह्या दिसतिका भेटोवची। पयली मुखेल सोयरे भौमान्य मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत। आज के सम्माननीय अतिथि मुख्य सचिव आदरणीय परिमल राय जी, आज के विशेष निमंत्रित पुलिस महानिदेशक आदरणीय मुकेश कुमार मीना जी, जिपाट के डायरेक्टर जनरल आदरणीय संजय गिहार जी, डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन टी.एस. साधीना, स्पेशल सेक्रेटरी होम एंड पर्सनल अंकिता आनंद जी, ग्रुप फोटो खातीर सगळ्यांनी येवचे प्लीज।
वो ऊपर रहेंगे, आप नीचे चेयर पे बैठेंगे, ऊपर खड़े रहेंगे। मैं बता ये दो स्टेप पे रहेंगे। गैप रखिए और जल्दी ये मेकिंग कुछ और नहीं
जो भाऊ पड्डी होतो एक फोटो मारा एकूच बरोबर आहे
तू बस खुर्ची घे अरे तू बस रे तू बस फोटो कर दो उसके बाद
स्माइल
चलो once again congratulations